Hi. In this video, I will show you how to turn a car vacuum to a simple house vacuum. These are the materials you need: old or new computer power supply, electrical tape, and your 12-volt car vacuum. All computer power supplies can have at least a DC output of more than 100 watts on its 12-volt rail, which is enough to power the car vacuum to its full potential. Here, I have a generic power supply that can output 108 watts. Now, what we have to do is to connect the yellow wire of the PSU to the positive pole of the vacuum plug, which is shown here in the diagram, labeled 12 volts. Then, connect the black wire from the PSU to the negative pole of the vacuum plug, which is labeled GND in the diagram. You can connect the black wire either one of the negative poles. After attaching both wires, secure it with electrical tape. Make sure those wires don't cross, to avoid short circuit. Now, we test our car vacuum attached to our computer power supply. I hope you liked this video. Like and subscribe if you haven't yet. Thank you.